In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VCard from a message to the contact list in Microsoft Outlook. Fast 2025 Guide. A VCard, also known as a .vcf file, is a standardized digital business card. When someone emails you a VCard, you can turn it into a full contact in Outlook in just a few clicks. Here's exactly how to do it and what to look out for so everything ends up clean and organized in your address book. Start by opening the email in Outlook that contains the VCard attachment. In the message, look for a small attachment labeled with the .vcf extension. It may appear with a contact card icon and a file name that matches the sender's name or company. If the email has multiple attachments, the VCard is the one ending in .vcf. Click the VCard attachment. Outlook will open a contact preview pane showing details pulled from the file, such as the person's name, email address, phone numbers, job title, and company. This preview is your chance to confirm that the information looks correct before you add it to your contacts. In the preview window, select Add to Contacts. This option usually appears at the top of the preview. When you click it, Outlook prepares a new contact record using the information up from the VCard so you don't have to type everything from scratch. Before saving, take a moment to review and edit the contact details if you need to. You can update the name formatting, choose the preferred email address if more than one is listed, and confirm phone numbers are labeled correctly as mobile, work, or home. Add or adjust the job title and company so they match how you want them to appear in search results. The notes section is especially useful for recording context like how you met, key responsibilities, or any follow-up items. These small tweaks now make the contact more useful later, and you can always return to edit the contact after saving. When everything looks right, click Save. The contact is immediately added to your Outlook contact list and will sync across your Outlook apps when your account is connected. From now on, when you start a new email, Outlook will auto-suggest this contact and their details will be available for calendar invites and sharing. That's it. You open the email, click the VCard, chose Add to Contacts, optionally refine the details, and saved. This quick method preserves accurate information from the original sender while keeping your address book tidy and reliable.